Haus Labs just came out with a new makeup collection. I've never tried anything from Lady Gaga's makeup line, but I've been dying to, and everything from this collection, CASA GAGA, looks so beautiful. But today I have here the liquid liner. I'm obsessed with liquid liner, so we're gonna try it out and see how well does it work. One is called Vita Punk. This, I believe, was $20. I will leave it down below in the description for you to check it out. This is a limited edition if you want it like this in gold. Matter Than Matte Liquid Eyeliner. This is made in Germany and it's a 0.03 ounce. Wow, look how gorgeous this is. Isn't that pretty? I'm telling you, there's so many things of this CASA GAGA collection. When I saw that highlighter and the blush, the eye products, I mean, I don't know. I have to put that on my wish list. So this is, again, Haus Laboratories. Love this top. Do you see that? That is so beautiful. By the way, did you see the movie House of Gucci? I did, and I really liked it. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to do a swatch here. That was pretty smooth, really easy. Not the best at liquid liner. I always put in that disclaimer, showing you here like my review and a demo just in case you're interested in it, so we can see how well it works. I've also been feeling like pain in the palm of my hand and pins and needles. That's so weird. Alright, so here we go. Let me try this out, one eye, and I'll let you know my thoughts. That was pretty easy. I like that you have a lot of control. It's not super wet, but it's not dry either. It doesn't tug on the eye whatsoever. It is drying to a complete matte. That is pretty black. I'm just gonna finish this eye. Of course, you don't have to do a wing if you don't want to. This is just how I do it. I kind of like this one better. I went back to this one and tried to like fix it, but that's never a good idea. I just love how this looks. This is freaking beautiful. So I just finished both eyes. I don't know how long that took, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, and this is like completely dry, and I'm rubbing this like really hard here, and I will have to wear it until I go to sleep. It is about 5 in the afternoon right now. Maybe I'll take this off around 12 or something, and I'll let you know if it transfers whatsoever. But yeah, that's feeling really good. I love how that looks. Oh, by the way, if you love liquid liners, check out the playlist that I have. It has many different eyeliners that I have reviewed if you're interested in seeing that. I'm just gonna quickly put my mascara on. I'll leave you my final thoughts in the comments, and I'll let you know if there was any problems at the end of the day. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!